Passage 3, the 4-H Club. Comprehension questions. Question 1. What do the words suspense and mystery mean?
This is a direct question. To figure out the meanings, we must place the words in context. So, let's scan the passage to find the words. That way, we can guess the meaning based on the context in which it is used. Suspense and mystery. Aha! There they are in lines 2 to 3. Damien likes reading Hardy Boys books for the suspense and mystery they capture. To find the answer, we can also consult the vocabulary list. We see the word suspense has two meanings: anticipation or uncertainty. Ask yourself, which meaning works best in this passage? Ah, yes, the word anticipation works best in this context. The word mystery has two meanings: thrill or mystique. As before, ask yourself, which word is most suitable? Good. The word thrill works best in this context. Oh, there it is again, in lines 43 to 44. I think I will join this club. It sounds as though it has more suspense and mystery than the Hardy Boys series. The context meanings for the words suspense and mystery in this sentence is the same as in the ones in lines 2 to 3.
Your answer for this question can read: the word suspense used in context of the passage means anticipation. The meaning of the word mystery used in this context means thrill. Question 2. What type of tree is a flamboyant tree?
To find the answer, we scan the passage for the keyword flamboyant. There we see it in line 5. He sat under a huge flamboyant tree with bright red blooms and leafy branches. We can guess from the sentence that the flamboyant tree is a large, shady tree with bright red flowers.
Therefore, your answer may read: the flamboyant tree is a large, shady tree with bright red flowers. Question 3. What major opportunity did Damien miss out on?
This question is an inferential question. To answer this, we must read the passage carefully. Lines 13 to 14. Then Kyler told him that Mrs. Caesar started the club while he had been in the hospital recuperating from dengue fever. And lines 33 to 34. The club is more than planting crops. We go hiking and on tours.
Your answer therefore should read: Damien missed out on the opportunity to join the 4-H club when Mrs. Caesar started it, and to go on the hikes and tours which the club had gone to. Question 4. What was the reason for Damien's lack of knowledge about the 4-H club in his school?
Let us use the key words lack of knowledge and look in the passage for words that mean do not know. Let's scan the passage. He didn't know anything about a 4-H club. Then Kyler told him that Mrs. Caesar started the club while he was in the hospital recuperating from dengue fever.
So, your answer could read: Damien was in the hospital recuperating from dengue fever when the 4-H club was formed. As a result, he was unaware of the club's existence. Question 5. What are the benefits of wearing a club uniform?
This is a contextual or life experience question. Use your knowledge to answer this question. You can think for yourself of some benefits you think this may have for you. You can ask a friend or someone you know, such as a Scout member, to give you some ideas.
Your answer could read, the benefits of wearing a club uniform are the sense of belonging to a group, the respect of peers, and the opportunity to go on hikes and excursions with friends. Question 6. On the clover leaf below, write the 4 words adopted by the 4-H Club.
Remember, the 4-H Club got its name because of the 4 watchwords which begin with the letter H. So let's scan the passage to find 4 words beginning with the letter H. Aha! There it is in lines 20 to 22. They represent the head, heart, hands, and health.
So your answer should read, the 4 words adopted by the 4-H Club are head, heart, hands, and health. Question 7. Do you have a 4-H Club in your area? If yes, speak to the members to find out more about their activities. If you do not, research information about the club on the internet. Write your findings below.
Find out if there are any persons in your neighborhood who are members of the 4-H Club. You can ask them all about their activities. If not, research the 4-H Club. Remember how to do research? You can use a search engine to find the answer. There are many useful search engines such as Google, About.com, Yahoo.com, etc. You can ask an adult to help you.
Therefore, your answer could read, based upon my interviews with a club member, at the 4-H Club, members learn how to plant gardens and tend them. They go hiking and on tours, and they learn skills such as cooking, etc. Or, based upon my research, at the 4-H Club, members learn how to plant gardens and tend them. They go hiking and on tours, and they learn skills such as cooking, etc. Question 8. Outline the passage by writing a sentence describing each paragraph.
This question uses your summarizing skills. When summarizing a passage, 1. Identify the main idea for each paragraph. The main idea is often stated in the first line and may be repeated in the last. The main idea is the focus or emphasis of the story or paragraph, why it was told. Remember, a paragraph occurs when there is a change of topic. Pay attention to the dialogue lines and when the topic changes. 2. Keep these main ideas in the same order as they appear in the story. And 3. Group them in the same format.
You can write your answer like this. Paragraph 1 depicts author's character and hobbies. Paragraph 2. Damien meets his friend Kyla during recess, wearing her 4-H uniform. Paragraph 3. Kyla informed Damien that the club started while he was in the hospital recuperating from dengue fever. Paragraph 4. Damien reflects on what he just found out. Paragraph 5, lines 18 to 29. Kyla tells Damien what the 4 H's on the clover leaf symbol stands for and begins to describe the activities of the club. Paragraph 6. Damien seems uninterested in the club. Paragraph 7. Kyla attempts to change Damien's mind about the club. She tells him more about the club's activities and its motto. And paragraph 8, lines 39 to 44. Damien understands what the club stands for and decides he will join this club because it sounds exciting.